Welcome to Heiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists that take boring, mundane yards and transform them into livable works of art. Join us as we cater to outsiders like you and make home your favorite destination.
Morning. How are you? How are you today? It's Monday.
It's Monday.
Best day ever.
How's it going, everybody? Marshall with Heiner Outdoor Living.
Ethan here. How's it going?
And we got a pretty fun project. These guys were having some issues with their existing water feature. It was done about 10 or 15 years by the previous homeowners. It was a fun DIY project for them, and they tried to repair it, but found out that it was time just to give it a complete facelift. And while we were talking about the facelift, they wanted to update their existing landscape as well. So we got a nice walkway with some stairs coming in here, redoing the existing pond into a 12-foot pondless system, ripping out the grass, creating a little bit more of a low maintenance feature for them with some perennials and shrubs coming in here with some decorative rock. We got these old timbers that are decomposing, and we're gonna be installing a product that is gonna stand the test of time. We got some nice prairie gold steps coming in. They are natural stone, so they won't deteriorate like the timbers that we see here. As you can see, with the erosion and the sparseness of it, it's not really standing up. So we'll make sure that we get a walkway that's nice and wide with the gaps that way it's easy to step and walk, give it a little bit more of some curvature as well. So where I am standing right now is gonna be around the top of that water feature. We're gonna be taking out this existing tree just to really make it a focal point. One thing that we always do when designing these water features is focus inside of the house. They have the hot tub there as well. They have the balcony up top that they like to see as well. So we want to make sure that we're getting those falls and that noise to kind of echo off that house and give them not just the sights of a beautiful stream, but also those sounds as well. This street up there is a little noisy, and that was one concern they had, is they wanted to drown out a lot of the traffic that was driving by. We have this old water feature here that we're just gonna kind of take off. It's moss rock. The moss rock does decompose, so we're gonna bring in a stone that will not deteriorate, give it a little bit more of a natural look that kind of blends in with the existing boulders that they have on site. We'll be bringing in some soil, doing a lot of fun demo. So now that we kind of went over everything and got the pre-job walkthrough done, it's time to mobilize. We're gonna tear out and demo and start with the clean slate and then move on to the water feature and walkway. going on, guys? We got the demo done and we are working on the next phase of this project. We have some nice prairie gold steps coming in and a flagstone walkway. We are currently working on some of the steppers, making sure that the walls line up with the existing retaining wall and also to help retain the dirt alongside the foundation. We're getting 4 steps, doing a nice little landing pad before 2 other steps to get us to a nice gentle slope for the rest of that walkway. It's a lot of fun. We got the machines moving and the materials here, and this is, you know, just another day in the life of the artist crew.
We are filling it up with water. It's almost good to go. Put in lights. It's been a couple days. We had some rain delays and whatnot, but it's almost there. Once we run it, check all the edges, see if we have any spots that need some extra care. Then that's a wrap. On to the next one.
What's going on, guys? We are back on this project after a couple months of pulling off. Weather is finally good to get some plants in the ground. I just went ahead and placed them around the water feature, around the walkway, and it is time to get the soil amendment done, the plants in the ground, drip them, and then finish this project out with some decorative rock and mulch and really get this place transformed for this client. Really excited to see how it's transitioned so far. This water feature turned out amazing. Plants and landscaping around it are really going to complement what is already done. we are finished with this project. It turned out amazing. I love the meandering path, the outdoor lighting, the finishes of plants and rock, these nice wide prairie gold steps coming in, and the walkway to the water feature. This water feature ended up being one of my favorite ones we've done. It is simple, elegant. The rock sizes complement each other really well, fits this space amazingly, and it is extremely enjoyable from the deck, the hot tub, inside of the house. Everything turned out as planned, as designed. The customers are extremely happy and we are as well. So with this water feature, before we had a dying tree in the center and a really old water feature that was built by the previous homeowner. By taking out that tree in the center, shifting that water feature in the middle really made it the focal point of this area. Another thing that I wish we could show you, but we can't, is the lighting on this project. As I was talking to the customers, they were saying that the illumination in the water and in the trees, and they were seeing the reflections of the water on the scrub oak to the right, really brought life to this backyard, and it turned it into a all-night experience, not just for the day, but when they're sitting in their hot tub, sipping a glass of wine on their patio. It turned it into a enjoyable feature throughout the entire year of the summer. I love how it's not super high, but it just goes gently with the slope, looking like it's been there the entire time. I hope you guys like watching the transformation on this backyard. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, come back for more. Put in the comments on anything you would like to know or possibly see in the next videos to come. Catch you guys on the next one.